How to block a range of phone numbers on your iPhone. Before we begin, it's important to know that iPhone doesn't have a built-in feature to block an entire range of phone numbers. You can only block individual phone numbers through the phone app or your contacts. If you want to block multiple numbers that share the same prefix or area code, you'll need to use a third-party call blocking app from the App Store or check if your mobile carrier offers call filtering services. To block an individual number, open the phone app and tap Recents. Find the number you want to block, then tap the Info button next to it. Scroll to the bottom and tap Block Caller, then tap Block Contact to confirm. If you're receiving lots of spam calls from unknown numbers, you can also go to Settings, then Apps, Phone, and enable Silence Unknown Callers. This automatically silences calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts, while still allowing calls from people you've recently contacted or Siri suggestions. That's it. While iPhone can't block an entire range of phone numbers by default, these options can significantly reduce unwanted calls. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.